I'm going home, 'cause you think you got me all wrong. You know your love has always been enough for me. And I'll just go home, 'cause you think you got me wrong. 'Cause your love has always been enough for me. Alright. Got an aluminum foil ball here. Anyway, 8 years Clinton, 8 years of Bush, 8 years of Obama, and Obama said Trump will not be the president. Well, you think you got me all wrong, you know. I seem to have been doing better maybe a few years ago, because I know it's on the news feed that they have, your pictures from like a year ago or something, 2 years ago, and occasionally I look at them just because I look for pictures, because I posted a lot of pictures, and things, people seem to agree with me back then. Like now, I don't know what's going up, or what's going down, or what's up. You think you got me wrong. You think I'm not for this, or that, and them, and he, and she, and everything. Like, I'm not. I'm not. I've been saying all along, I'm like, these poor people, these poor people that put their hopes and dreams and faith that there's someone looking out for them. And what happens is just blame. That's all we get. That's all we get. Somebody is always to blame. Somebody is always the bad person. Someone is always the obstructionist. It's always something. It's never like accountability. It's always the reason why it didn't happen because of these people. And then we look into it like a little bit more deeply, and we see like, well, year after year, where is all the promises going? You have the speeches, you have the promises, you have, it's like, we're going to set aside all this for you, and then poof, I'm going home.